This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Custom executive estate with large 3-bed/2-bath home with exquisite mountain and lake views. The expansive low-maintenance back deck is perfect for entertaining with an outdoor kitchen in the gazebo area. Built-in cabinets in the greatroom and the master suite with second fireplace. Large master bath with hot tub and separate shower with multiple heads and a bidet, huge walk-in closet, and connects to the laundry room. Custom features include arched entryways, 12 inches exterior foam walls, 2 hot water heaters, gas and elect, 2 zoned HVAC, 2 stoves, gas and elect, whole house fan, detached garage workshop can easily be converted to separate home. Plumbing, electric, sheetrock, bedroom, bathroom are in. For more information, review the details below.